I'm very overdue for a repair update, and here it is. So what I've done, I've put everything together as far as I've got so far, just to show you what it's going to look like. So I've got the new flares on, they look pretty cool. I've left them open at the back to help the air come out. It's better for aero. The NACA ducts are looking really good now. Nearly close to perfect. I still need a couple of little tidy ups, but they're looking really, really good. I'm going for the professional look here. Spending lots of time making them right. I don't know why I'm spending so much time. I usually cut corners, but anyway, I'm not cutting corners this time. And you can see that the join of the rear of the car on here is pretty good. This line is very good. And yeah, there's still a couple of little imperfections that need tidying up, but yeah, when the final coat goes on, it'll look great. I've got the boot lid on. I have mounted it. The pins are out at the moment because I'm doing some repairs on the boot lid at the moment, welding up some of the holes that no longer needed anymore. That's going to get a fresh coat of paint soon. And I have mounted the wing. It's just sitting there right now, but it has been mounted properly. All the holes are drilled and it's all ready to go. And as you can see, the back is all looking pretty nice. It's pretty open at the back to let the air out from the back of the car, which will once again will help with aero. And there's a lot of space there for a diffuser if I choose to put one on in the future. The engine cover's just sitting there at the moment, so you can probably tell that it's not sitting particularly well. It's just yeah, literally just temporary. I'm going to cover these up. These were just an experiment at the last track day when I had a chat to Kyle from JKF Engineering. He suggested I covered those, and it didn't harm the engine bay temperatures too much, but it did help the aero. And as you can see, this side's all done too, as far as the NACA ducts are done. So my next step is to cut a nice big hole in here as an air intake, or one of the air intakes for the intercooler. I'm going to do that really neat as well. And I need to figure out a nice way of opening up the back so that, well, basically that grey section in the middle there between the lights is going to be opened up, and I'm going to have a section underneath what's left of that rear bar opened up, as well as the exit of the air from the intercooler. So it's coming on pretty well. I haven't had a lot of time to work on this over the last couple of months, and that's why the progress is a little bit lacking. But I have been doing a bit of work on it over the last couple of days, and it's starting to look really nice now. So yeah, once I get those holes cut, I'll start mounting the intercooler, and yeah, I'll be getting really close to being able to drive it again. The car does run, the engine's fine. I do start it every now and again, so there's no problems there. It's literally just the bodywork that needs to be finished off and the intercooler completed. So that's my update. Hopefully it'll look a little bit more like a car. It might even be red next time you see it. So stay tuned. Bye.